Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Imagine you've just rolled out a new strategy and everyone in the organization is keen to get started. They can see the potential for business growth and their own learning. The board has allocated a budget to every department to cover the new initiatives, and a central value management office has even more in the kitty once the project teams have successfully navigated the funding toll gates. Marketing, product development and sales are super fast out the gate and chalk up some quick wins. They take their findings to the investment committee and within a very short time are deep into stage 2 of their project. Meantime, operations is lagging due to the issues they face dealing with the antiquated legacy systems and processes the strategy was designed to upgrade and replace. Customers are excited about the new product and service offering, and everyone celebrates the success of the marketing, sales, and product team. It seems as if the investment committee is ready to throw even more money at them to keep the momentum and build on the ongoing success. Meantime, operations is increasingly starved of resources. They are viewed as a laggard, and nobody wants to be seen to be supporting a part of the business that is so clearly doing worse than the rest. The more operations is starved of resources and the less management attention it gets, the further behind it falls. Eventually, this habit of backing the successful and under-resourcing other parts of the system required to deliver the promise of the new strategy starts to undermine confidence in the organization's ability to achieve its goal. Pay attention to the risk that you only pay attention to the successful parts of your initiatives. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.